Hello YouTube and welcome to ATS. Today we've got a Mossberg 500 on the table, and there are a lot of videos out there about how to take apart, clean, and how to reassemble the Mossberg 500. And all of it is pretty much straightforward. The biggest pain in the butt for most people are these two. This is the cartridge stop and cartridge interrupter. And you need to have these in place in order to get the trigger group back in. And I've seen people put them in place and then try and hold them with their fingers, and a lot of frustration goes on. So I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to alleviate that problem. So let me turn it a little bit on its side. So this one, which is the one that doesn't have the tab. See, this one here has a little tab that goes inside a hole on this side of the receiver. But this one goes on this side, and it goes like this. Okay? So when you put it in, you'll find the notch, and you'll notice that, see how that fluctuates right there? Sure, I got a good focus on that. So move back and forth. And when you put the trigger group back in, this has to be in this position here. So in order to hold it there, you can get a little magnet that you can get at Harbor Freight or wherever, and just put it right on the side, and that will hold that in place. So then you take the other one with the tab, stick it in a hole. There we go. So now, in order to hold that in place, just take another one of these little magnets, set it on the outside. So now both of those are in place. It's important again that this one on the left is tucked up against the wall here, because it will flex on both sides. So make sure this is up against the wall. So then you just take your trigger guard, and you've got the two little ears right here. You have to make sure they go right underneath here like that. Push it down and snap it in place. Done. Just stick your pin back in on the side and you're done. So those two little magnets on either side will hold those bars into place, and that will relieve a lot of problems. People get really frustrated. I know when I first started doing it, they kept falling out. They would not stay in place, but a simple little magnet will work. Now, if you get a magnet that's real strong, then put a little piece of paper or something between the magnet and the receiver so that you don't scratch anything up. So anyway, that's my quick video on the Mossberg. This works on the Mossberg 500, the Maverick 88, and I believe the 590 series, I believe, works the same, but I know on the Maverick 88 and the Mossberg 500, this will work. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click like, go ahead and click subscribe if you haven't already, and if you feel like sharing this video, go ahead and share it. And until next time, remember, shoot often, shoot safe, and God bless.